Dogs have a badass movie by Andrew Lloyd Webber.
What's it called?
Dogs. I bet I could take a good swing.
I don't want to do one of it.
I think I could crack it out of the park.
Slam dunk a song from Dogs. I think that's
yeah. Can you just sing one song from Dogs?
Sure. Look.
Thanks, Griff.
Okay, here we go. All my beautiful bones. God, why have you forsaken me? My bones. These bones of mine.
Wait.
Oh, no. In the city.
Oh.
Whoa.
My beautiful bones. In the city. When the night and the moon. Who am I?